Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online by watching videos, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. Is it even possible to get paid for watching videos? There is a huge marketplace for people to test different softwares and watch videos and to get paid for it. I'm going to show you guys how you can get paid by these big companies around the world to simply browse their websites or watch different videos while recording your own thoughts. Let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you how it exactly works. First website I want to show you guys is called Try My User Interface. You can get paid to use different websites and apps and share your personal opinion. You see that you can get paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes, so you can literally get paid $30 per hour. You will record your screen and your voice while using the website or app and you just share your own opinion about it. As simple as that. Second website is called User Testing. You can earn $10 per test. All you need to do is to visit the website or an app, complete some tasks and record your own thoughts about it. You can get paid $10 to PayPal every time you complete a 20-minute video. One test takes you 20 minutes, 3 tests equal 1 hour, which is $30 per hour. And the third website I want to show you guys is called Userlytics. You can sign up for free and start getting paid by interacting with web or mobile apps or other types of digital asset and share your thoughts and answering few questions. You can get paid $5, $10, $15 or $20 per one test, and in some cases you can get paid as much as $90 per one project. You test from your home whenever you are free and all you need to do is to complete a series of tasks and instructions. All these three websites has the most amount of reviews, the longest history, and they paid out the most amount of money. So, how does this work? You sign up for user testing. You need some basic things like a laptop or a computer. In some cases, your smartphone will be enough. Then you need some kind of microphone and ability to speak and express your thoughts and the basic level of English. This is all you need to get paid. After you sign up, you get some instructions like you need to register for this website, click different buttons, or interact with different things. It's an amazing way to get started to make some money online. The best tip I can give you is talk through the entire process and provide as much details as you can. For instance, this is very clear website. I like the top bar, it is not confusing and looks pretty good. On the right side, I can see that I can either log in or request trial. Here I can see the short introduction, so when I come to this website, my eyes will catch following text. Great customer experience starts with human insight. See, hear and talk to your customers as they engage with your products, apps and messaging. Make better decisions. Build more customer-driven experiences. And I can click on the see demo or watch a video. And so on. So this is a great way to make money online with no upfront cost and literally no skills. All you need to do is express your thoughts and opinions about different tests you get from these three websites. Whether it's Try My User Interface, User Testing, or Userlytics. One downside I want to mention is that you can't get as many tests as you want. You can't do it all day because tests are limited. That's now how it works. You have access to certain amounts of tests per week. But I have also a solution for that. You can sign up for all these three websites at the same time and suddenly you have access to more tests you can do weekly. You can always earn more money if you actually use all these sites. You sign up for Try My User Interface, User Testing or Userlytics at the same time and you can get 5 to 10 tests every week for each site, and then you are able to do more tasks per week and that way earn more money. One of the cool things about this strategy is that this is fun and you can actually enjoy the process, and if you have no money at all, it's a great way to get started and earn some money online so you can invest them later into your own business. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.